Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace the rear window hinge on a Ford Escape. First, gather all the tools you'll need, such as a socket set, a screwdriver, and the new hinge assembly. Make sure your vehicle is parked on a level surface and the rear window is supported. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe repair process, helping you avoid any unexpected issues. Now, let's remove the old hinge. Begin by carefully detaching the rear window from the damaged hinge. You might need a second person to help support the window during this step. Next, use your socket wrench to unbolt the old hinge from the vehicle's body. Once removed, take a moment to inspect the mounting area for any rust or damage that might need attention. With the old hinge removed, it's time to install the new one. Carefully align the new hinge with the mounting holes on the vehicle's body. Insert and hand tighten the bolts first to ensure proper alignment, then fully tighten them to the manufacturer's specifications. Finally, reattach the rear window to the new hinge, making sure it's securely fastened and moves freely. After installation, perform some final checks. Open and close the rear window several times to ensure it operates smoothly and without any binding. Double-check that all bolts are securely tightened. For long-term performance, apply a small amount of a suitable lubricant to the hinge's pivot points. This simple maintenance step can help prevent future issues and extend the life of your new hinge.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.